Dallas homeowners love their outdoor living spaces, from backyard patios and decks to pools and shaded sitting areas. But while patio doors help connect indoor comfort with outdoor enjoyment, older or poorly insulated doors can undermine your home's energy efficiency. With Dallas hot summers, bright sunshine, and occasional chilly winter nights, having modern, energy-efficient patio doors can make a dramatic difference in comfort and cost savings. Today's patio door designs go far beyond aesthetics. They feature advanced materials, insulated glass technology, and precision engineering that help Dallas homes stay cooler, reduce heat loss, and improve overall performance. If you're considering a home upgrade, here's how modern patio doors significantly enhance energy efficiency. Advanced insulated glass reduces heat transfer. One of the most important features of modern patio doors is their insulated glass technology, designed to reduce the amount of heat that enters your home. Energy-efficient patio doors often include double or triple pane glass argon or krypton gas fills between glass panes, low emissivity coatings that reflect heat and UV rays. These features keep your home cooler by reducing the amount of solar heat entering through the glass. In a city like Dallas, where summer temperatures often exceed 100 degrees Fahrenheit, this technology helps keep indoor spaces much more comfortable without overworking your air conditioning system. Improved frame materials boost thermal performance. Modern patio doors are constructed from advanced materials that are engineered for superior insulation. Traditional aluminum frames conduct heat easily, making your home warmer during summer and cooler during winter. Today's best-performing patio doors feature vinyl frames that resist heat and maintain strong insulation, fiberglass frames known for stability, durability, and superior thermal performance, composite frames that combine strength with energy efficiency. These frames provide better insulation and minimize heat transfer compared to older materials. For Dallas homeowners, this means reduced hot spots near patio doors and a more comfortable living environment. Tight seals prevent drafts and air leakage. Older patio doors often develop gaps or lose their structural integrity over time, creating drafts and allowing conditioned air to escape. This leads to higher energy bills and less comfort. Modern patio doors are built with enhanced weather-stripping multi-point locking systems that tighten the door against the frame, durable seals that do not shrink or deteriorate easily. These improvements help prevent air leakage, keeping your cooled indoor air inside and blocking hot outdoor air from creeping into your home. UV protection helps regulate indoor temperatures. Dallas is known for its abundant sunshine, which can cause rooms near patio doors to heat up quickly. Modern patio doors come with UV-resistant coatings that block harmful ultraviolet rays without reducing natural light. This technology protects furniture, floors, and drapes from fading, helps maintain even indoor temperatures, reduces the need for blinds or heavy window treatments. By minimizing heat and UV rays, these features help lower cooling costs while keeping indoor spaces bright and inviting. Smooth operation helps improve efficiency. A well-functioning patio door is an efficient patio door. Modern designs use improved rollers, hardware, and track systems to ensure smooth, secure operation. Why this matters? A door that closes tightly performs better thermally. Easier operation encourages homeowners to keep doors closed when needed. Enhanced locking improves seal pressure and insulation. Older doors that stick, sag, or fail to close properly can't maintain energy performance, making replacement a wise choice. Increased home value through energy savings. Energy-efficient patio doors are a strong selling point for Dallas homes. Buyers appreciate features that reduce utility costs while enhancing comfort. By lowering energy consumption and improving home aesthetics, modern patio doors contribute directly to home value and long-term savings. Final thoughts. For Dallas homeowners seeking better comfort, energy savings, and a smooth indoor-outdoor connection, modern patio doors are a smart and valuable upgrade. With advanced glass, insulated frames, tight seals, and UV protection, today's patio doors do far more than brighten your living space. They help your home stay cooler, more efficient, and more comfortable through every season. Upgrading your patio doors is an investment that pays off in both immediate comfort and long-term savings, making it one of the most impactful improvements you can make to your Dallas home.